Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first actionable step. Make sure you have the Sharepoint site URL and read permission. This matters for authentication. Open Power BI Desktop now, choose Get Data and pick Sharepoint folder. Paste the site route, not a file path, then click Connect. Once done, Power BI lists files from that library. Review file names and timestamps so you know which source to transform next. This saves time and avoids linking the wrong document. Next, you handle the middle, more complex steps to shape data. In the Power Query editor, filter by folder path or file name so only target files remain. This prevents mixing sources. Click the binary link to combine files or use Excel. Workbook for structured sheets, then expand tables. Promote headers and set column types early. This prevents type mismatches during append. Once your query consolidates into a clean table, rename the query and load a preview to validate rows and key fields. Finally, complete the workflow by loading and scheduling refreshes. Close and apply to import transformed data into the report, then verify visuals with a few sample rows. Publish to Power BI service, and in Settings, configure credentials and a scheduled refresh. Make sure to use OAuth or organizational account if required. If something breaks, check credentials first, then confirm the Sharepoint path and that file schema's match. One troubleshooting tip: inconsistent column types across files is the most common refresh failure. Standardize types in Power Query.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.